spent weeks trying different platforms, watching countless tutorials, and honestly, I felt totally overwhelmed by all the technical stuff, but it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter from the start. So, to help you make music creation easier, here are 4 simple steps I learned that will help you create professional sounding songs in minutes, not months. Here's the thing, hiring a music producer can cost thousands of dollars, and learning traditional music production takes years of practice. But Suno AI changes everything by letting you create full songs with just text prompts, and the best part, it's completely free to start. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ideas into actual songs, how to customize every element from lyrics to genre, and I'll show you some secret tips that most people totally miss. Plus, I've got the link in the description to get you started right away. Step 1. Getting started with Suno AI. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, how ridiculously easy it is to get started. When I first opened Suno AI, the interface literally made me smile. I was expecting some complicated dashboard, but instead I got this super clean friendly design that just says, what do you want to create today? I literally thought, this is it? This is all I need? So here's exactly what you do first. Head over to Suno AI, and yes, I've got that link in the description for you. To create, just sign up with Google account, which is what I recommend because it's literally one click, or create an account with your email. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. We're going to focus on the Create button at the left side section. This is where all the magic happens. And trust me, it's way simpler than it looks. Here's what most people don't know. You get 50 free credits when you sign up, and each song only costs 10 credits. That means you can create 5 full songs completely free to test everything out. But before we dive into creating, let me show you the game-changing feature that makes Suno AI totally different from everything else. Step 2. Creating your first song with simple mode. Now here comes my most exciting part. Watching Suno AI create actual music from just a few words. When I typed in my first prompt, upbeat pop song about summer adventures, the AI literally generated a full 2-minute song in under 30 seconds. I was sitting there like, wait, this actually sounds professional. The vocals, the instruments, the mixing, everything was there. So let's walk through this step by step. On your dashboard, click that Create button. You'll see 2 options, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. We're starting with Simple Mode because it's perfect for beginners. In the text box, you're going to describe your song. Think of it like talking to a friend about what you want. For example, create a chill acoustic song about missing someone, or make an energetic rock anthem about overcoming challenges. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Here's a secret most people miss, including the mood, genre, and theme all in one sentence. Instead of just saying sad song, try melancholic indie folk song about lost love with gentle guitar. This gives the AI so much more to work with. Click Create Song and literally watch the magic happen. You'll see a progress bar, and in about 20 to 30 seconds, you'll have 2 different versions of your song to choose from. But wait until you see what happens. When we get into custom mode, that's where things get really interesting. Step 3. Mastering custom mode for professional results. Now here comes my absolute game changer moment, discovering custom mode. When I switched to custom mode for the first time, I literally felt like I had a whole recording studio at my fingertips. Instead of just describing what I wanted, I could control the lyrics, the style, even the song structure. I remember creating this epic ballad and thinking, there's no way this is free. Here's exactly how custom mode works. Click Create and then select Custom Mode. Now you'll see way more options, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each one. First, you have the Style of Music box. This is where you get super specific. Instead of just pop, you can write 80s synthwave with dreamy vocals and retro beats, or acoustic folk with finger-picked guitar and harmonies. The AI literally understands these detailed descriptions. Next is the lyrics section. You can either write your own lyrics or let the AI generate them. If you're writing your own, here's a pro tip. Use the structure verse, chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. This tells the AI exactly how to arrange your song. The title field is super important too. This isn't just for organization, the AI actually uses your title to influence the overall vibe of the song. Here's what most people don't know, you can even specify instruments. Try adding with saxophone solo or featuring piano and strings to your style description. The results are literally mind-blowing, but the real magic happens when you start experimenting with different combinations. Step 4. Advanced tips and tricks for pro-level songs. Now here comes my most obsessed with featuring the advanced techniques that make your songs sound totally professional. When I discovered you could reference specific artists and decades in your prompts, I literally spent hours experimenting. I created a song in the style of 90s R&B with smooth vocals like Lauryn Hill, and the result was so good my friends thought I hired a professional singer. Here's the step-by-step for next level results. In your style description, try adding decade references like 2000s pop punk energy or 70s disco groove. The AI has been trained on decades of music, so it knows exactly what these mean. Here's my pro tip. If you love a song you created, click the 3 dots and select Continue from this song. You can literally extend it, create a remix, or make a completely different version. It's like having an entire music production team. And here's what most people totally miss. You can create instrumental versions by adding instrumental to your style description. Perfect for background music or if you want to add your own vocals later.
You said I'm fine in my doorway, but your keys shook like your hands. Coffee cooling on the counter, plans crumpled in the trash. All the postcards on your mirror, every place you swore you'd go. You were halfway out the city.
Now, the possibilities are literally endless, and we're just getting started. Before we dive into some real examples, I have to tell you about something super exciting. Suno AI is completely free to start with those 50 credits I mentioned, and honestly, that's enough to create several full songs and really test everything out. But here's the thing, once you start creating, you're going to be totally obsessed like I am. The Pro plan gives you 500 credits per month, which means you can create 50 songs. Plus, you get priority generation, so your songs create faster, and you can even use your songs commercially. I've got the link in the description, no special codes needed, just click and you're ready to go. The free version is honestly amazing for getting started, and if you decide you want more credits later, the upgrade is totally worth it. What I love most is that there's no long-term commitment. You can try the free version, see if you love it as much as I do, and then decide if you want more credits. It's literally risk-free. I literally just created a song yesterday with the prompt uplifting indie pop about chasing dreams with acoustic guitar and soaring chorus. In 30 seconds, I had this incredible track that sounded like it belonged on Spotify. The lyrics were meaningful, the melody was catchy, and the production quality was honestly shocking for something created by AI. Here's what you get immediately. Professional sounding songs in minutes, not months. You can finally bring those song ideas in your head to life without learning complex software or spending thousands on producers. Socially, imagine surprising friends with personalized songs, creating the perfect soundtrack for your videos, or even starting your own music project. I've literally become the go-to person in my friend group for custom songs. Financially, whether you want to create music for your business, sell beats online, or just save money on licensing music for projects, Suno AI pays for itself instantly. And creatively, this opens up a whole new world. You can experiment with genres you've never tried, create music for any mood or occasion. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the link in the description. It takes you straight to Suno AI, where you can start creating immediately with those free credits. No special codes needed, just click and you're ready to go. And definitely subscribe because I'm literally planning a whole series on AI music creation, including advanced techniques, collaboration features, and how to use your AI songs in bigger projects. The future of music creation is here, and it's literally free to start. Don't wait. Your first song is just one click away.